Today we are right here in Celina, Texas, and we are in a Highland home, single story, 3,400 square feet, and this is absolutely one of our favorite single story homes that Highland builds. This is the Verona, and we have showcased this home several times on this channel, but this one is pretty special, and I will tell you why, because right now we are in the parks at Wilson Creek, and they have slashed these prices down pretty quickly on this quick move-in. And one of the nice things I love is just the location, right? So you're right off of that outer loop, which is gonna connect you east-west and kind of get you easy access to all the main arteries in and around North Texas. But what I love about the parks at Wilson Creek is, and what makes it so unique, is they have 100-acre city park designed right here. And in fact, with this location of this particular home that we're talking about, I can see where they're gonna start building the park right now. You've got huge mature trees. They're gonna have a disc golf there, pickleball courts, an amphitheater. They're gonna have everything that you could possibly think of and more. They're building an HEB right around the corner, Costco, so you're convenient to everything.
And they're building a second amenity center that's gonna have a gym, and so they're gonna have multiple pools. They have an on-site elementary school. They have an activity director that will put on tons of events. So, I mean, you really don't even have to leave your neighborhood if you don't want to.
No, this is perfect for relocators that are looking for that kind of upscale community that don't want the cramped feel that you get in some of the Frisco neighborhoods. This is perfect for, we're seeing a lot of people move up from Frisco and that sort of thing right here, as well as relocation and move up buyers in general. Kind of that executive management and up level. So this has got something for everybody. Can't wait to show you, so stay tuned. We're gonna get into this Verona. We had to do things a little differently in that intro because of course it started raining on us as soon as we turned the camera on. But you got this little front porch with the arches right here. I like that. I like the whole cream color brick, which is really nice. And then obviously the double doors. What's always nice about when we're touring a inventory home is when they have the model home is the exact same floor plan. That way we can kind of show you some before and after what it looks like with furniture and without.
Yes.
It's always nice.
That is very nice.
I love how wide this entryway is.
I do
Feels
too.
nice and open. You've got a nice window above the double doors, so it brings in some natural light, even though it is raining outside, so it's not gonna be as flooded with light as it normally would.
That's correct. You know, one thing I wanted to say about when you were mentioning that it's nice to see the model, but it's nice to see it compared to what you actually get, because then you can really see
what you get for your money.
Right, or the upgrades, or you can say, wow, I can't believe they've included that in this, you know, inventory home.
Like this flooring, for example.
Like
You've got
this
this all throughout. It's so nice. It's such a good upgrade.
And the beams behind you.
And the beams. I love the beams. Patrice and I love this floor plan.
We really do.
All right, so let's get enough about that. So this is just over 3,400 square feet. Look how big these secondary rooms are. Large, tall windows, dual windows coming in, large ceilings. It just gives you a sense of grandeur, I guess.
It really does.
It's got the 8-foot solid core doors. It's got this nice jewel box guest bath, which is nice, right off of the bedroom.
And you'll hear us walking on plastic because they don't want us to get the carpet dirty.
Especially in the rain.
In the rain,
But
yes.
Patrice and I are here, rain or shine, guys. We are here delivering the video tours for you. So definitely hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up. This is one of 2 powder baths, which is really nice to have.
I love that sink and everything. I think that's such a cool look.
And then here's bedroom number 2. And of course, this has nice walk-in closet and its own ensuite as well with a bathtub.
Nice tall ceilings again. Good walk-in closet.
Everything about what Highland does is just, I don't know. I'm just a big fan. I
You
guess.
are a big fan. And good sized bathroom. We're gonna have to talk a little bit about the pricing and all that good stuff in a little bit.
Yep, absolutely. Let's see what we've got here. We got a nice walk-in closet again.
This is one of my favorite bedrooms.
Yeah, and it's got its own ensuite with another bathtub.
Beautiful, nice and big.
Yeah, and then this room is just huge.
This, I love it because it just has like a, room area, a little family area if you need to have your own sitting space and you don't want to be out with everybody else because maybe you're a guest or a parent or something like that. I
Yep.
love that. And I love the shape of these windows. I think they're so neat.
One of the things that I love about this and what Highland is offering right now is they're offering this house is $950,000. I mean, they marked down quite a bit and it's ready to move. So definitely give us a call if you're interested in this particular house. But one of the things that they're offering right now across DFW, so it's not just exclusive to this house, is $20,000 towards how you want to use it. Flexible. You use it towards your closing costs. You can use it towards a rate buy down, etc. Now you couple that with, let's say this house, $950,000. We're giving you out of our own pockets, out of Annie Patrice's pockets, $14,000. Again, towards that closing cost and rate buy down. You couple those together and partner, you're talking about a huge savings, guys, right now. This is just an absolute no-brainer. So, but look at this room.
This room is fabulous.
I love the beams. This is an inventory home. You've got the beams, you've got the sliders, you've got all these built-ins. I mean, this is absolutely fantastic. This is one of our clients and viewers' favorite floor plans on top of ours as well. I mean, we get a lot of comments. People want to see this in person. It absolutely does not fail every time. Look at just behind Patrice.
And actually, when they actually come in here and see it, they're shocked at how big it actually is.
Yeah.
It just does not show up well enough on camera to show you how grand this home is.
No, this thing is a 5-foot island. It's just a family home. I don't know how else to explain it.
I think it's a 4-butt because they've got the thing in the middle. I
Oh.
don't know if you could put somebody in there.
Look at this. You've got a 6-burner cooktop and it's got this griddle. This is kind of cool.
That's very nice.
It's got the drawers. It's got the hardware on it. One of the things I also want to point out, right here in the dining area, is you have these built-ins. Not only does it have kind of your wine racks, but it has a fridge right here as well.
And I love that they put lights up in the transom, glass cabinets. I think that's so nice.
I love that it has double ovens, Patrice.
I love that too.
And it's got a nice microwave. The reason why we love this floor plan is it just lives very well.
Mm-hmm, absolutely.
If you're wanting that single story, this is on a 74-foot lot. You've got plenty of depth. You've got a huge extended patio. So they've done several different upgrades for you already and packaged it at a price point that is really, really comfortable.
Really reasonable, yes. And then here's the snack closet, very well-sized snack closet. And I do love the laundry room in this floor plan.
Yeah, and you know what? We'll show you when we go outside in the patio. If you have young elementary age school kids, this is a perfect location because you are far enough away from the noise, but yeah, they can walk. Mm-hmm. All right, here is that laundry room that Patrice was speaking of.
Yes, look at this laundry room. It will fit the fridge right there, and then you've got all this cabinetry, a sink, more cabinetry, laundry area right there where your washer and dryer will go, but just so much space in here.
And look at all the cabinetry that they put in this thing. This is not cheap stuff, guys.
No, and then they've done the trim along the top, which makes it really beautiful. I mean, this is, I wouldn't hate doing laundry if I had this one, that's for sure.
And then it steps right in from your
primary closet. Yeah,
So,
I love that.
Yes. Now here is the mud area, and then here is your garage.
All right, we kind of come out. It's got this little tandem area, and then you've got this whole area right here.
Mm-hmm. Some people love the tandem, some people don't. I tend to like it.
Here's that mud area. Okay, well, you know what we didn't do? We didn't go across. Do you want to go to the primary or do you want to go to the office?
No, I want to go to the media room.
We didn't even do the media room.
No.
Oh my goodness.
I mean, there's so much.
There is so much. In a single story, that's what's crazy.
In a single story. Look at this. For a downstairs media room, this thing is quite big.
It is. That is really good. Look at how high these ceilings are in here.
Yeah, no, this is fantastic. Movie nights with your kids, sitting out here, watching the ball games on Saturdays and Sundays. You know, they just started OTAs, Patrice.
I know, I did know
The football
that.
season is starting.
I am aware.
Now, I do like I said, we already kind of mentioned it, but the fireplace sitting right here, it's kind of that old school too.
Yeah.
Now, one of the things I wanted to point out, we were just talking to at a Highland event actually a week or two ago, and we were talking about wood burning fireplaces and how they don't. This isn't just exclusive to Highland, but they build these so energy efficient now that they're so tight that you can't. They don't waste that energy with
Wood burning.
with a wood burning fireplace. I thought that was kind of interesting. Now check this out, Patrice. Double doors into your office. Now, in the model, they have the desk right here overlooking the windows. It's a really good size office. And I love how it's in the back. Just something about it not being in the front. I like it in the front too, but I don't know. We just see so many of those. That's just very common. That's kind of where you put it. It's nice to have it a different place. Before we go into the primary, let's go into the backyard. You've got a half bath here, which is perfect for if you were eventually wanted to put in a pool or whatnot. That's easy access. And then look at, they extended this patio. So you've got your gas stub right here. Just nice if you want to put in like a grill and that sort of thing. It's easy access to the door to kind of bring those steaks in. You got a nice entertaining area right here. And then you can have maybe a dining area right here, which is nice.
It stopped raining, so I'm
It
going to
stopped
come out
raining.
here for a second so you could see the back of this house, what it looks like. It's got a really neat exterior.
Yeah, and this is a 74-foot wide lot. Look at how wide this thing is.
Yeah, it's very wide. Here, I'll go from end to end. And then if you look over the fence, you can actually see the school right here.
Yep, the elementary school is right there. You've got all these big, large trees. That is gonna be where that 100-acre park is. So you're pretty convenient, and you're back of the community. And so you don't have any traffic noise or anything like that from that outer loop. So really, really good design and a good location within the community. Very exciting. Now let's go take a look at this primary. It's one of my favorite primary en-suites, I'll tell you that right now.
Yeah, I like how it's got a door right here, so you can go through. And then it's got, you know, this big open space for your room.
Now they did the bump out obviously as an option, which we always recommend. Nice little seating area. You want to put those shoes on, kind of have your cup of coffee, wait for your wife to get ready, whatever the case may be. But this is definitely a king size bed and plenty of space to kind of get everything that you need to get done.
Yeah, I like that it adds these 2 windows on either side, so you've got 5 instead of 3, which makes so much more light coming in.
Absolutely. Now, here we go, Patrice. This has everything that we always talk about. Split vanities. Then it's got the vanity right here for your makeup station or whatever that looks like.
Makeup station.
Is it not?
You can call it whatever you want.
Okay, good. Well, we never came up with a phrase. I mean, we need a nickname for everything.
Yeah, I love that space though. That is a huge space.
Speaking of huge, look at this soaking tub.
Yeah, that is a large.
Would this be a 2-person?
No, but it's because it's too skinny, but it would be good for somebody who's tall.
Andy, your hips won't even make it in there. Look at this, a car wash jewel box shower. Look at it, it's got the large, you can put so many different shampoos in there.
And body washes.
And body washes. It just doesn't have the rain head,
Correct.
but it's got the other dual heads on either side. I like it.
I do too. I like it a lot. Let's go check out this closet. Oh my, look at that. They put a pretty cabinet in there with drawers and shelves.
And the steel, the metal rods, which I like.
Yes, look
Yeah,
at
but
all
it's got
that.
everything. I mean, you wouldn't have to spend another 10, 15 grand on a closet organizer. You've got it all right here.
Yes, there's plenty of space. And you've got, look at, there's like hanging there and then hanging over there.
Yeah, like your long wardrobe and
That's
all that good
amazing.
stuff.
I love it.
Yeah, and then it goes, like we were talking about before, goes straight into your laundry area, which is really nice. So again, guys, it's a fantastic floor plan. Let us know in the comments below what you guys think about this. $950,000 in one of the fastest growing suburbs of Dallas, is not only Dallas, but in the United States. Parks of Wilson Creek is gonna be one of those top 5 neighborhoods in Celina. It's got something for everybody, starting from 40-foot lots all the way up to like kind of where we're at right now with the 74-foot lots. You've got builders such as Highland, David Weekley, Perry, Traditions, some of our favorite builders all in one spot. Definitely not your entry-level community. This is where people go and move up. This is kind of our bread and butter. So if we have great relationships with every single builder rep in this thing. So if you want the best deals in the Parks of Wilson Creek, definitely hit that Dream Home Forum. Take advantage of our family give back program that gets you up to 1.5% back of our commissions right into your pocket to use how you want to utilize to get that rate buy down, to make it affordable. That's what we're trying to help you guys with. And you know what? I absolutely love this. This is a great opportunity. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Give us a like, hype it, do all that good stuff. And until the next time, I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
Take care.